Hi, my friends. I am now at Kuala Lumpur International Airport 1 and it is 9 p.m. 31那边下等下 We are heading to C31 where we will board our plane at around 12 a.m. It has been a long day, so later in the plane it is a great time to have a good night's sleep. 哇，也是很大哦。那这边比较 high class 一点嘛。可是好像关了哈。啊？31，要 check C31啊？啊，等下要那一项下去。哇，这个你看 hologram 哦。哦，它用那风扇了 ，OK。什么呀？那 hologram 嘛。哦，这是最贵的 kopi 哦。Matcha Coffee sells premium coffee from all over the world.
めっちゃいいコーヒー屋さんだった。
哦，那边是要换地方了，C6就要换，因为刚才那个人 job 的时候他讲会换。
对吗？你看一下
C6 that means。这边我们来过，刚才没有啊。没有啊，因为它很多卖很像的东西。 We are now heading to gate C6. It was changed from C31 to C6, so we are now heading to C6.
好像没有用到了咯，好像以前是用这个来跑来的，我没有用到的。
Still lots of passengers waiting for their flight. It has been a whole day since I slept.
你的背痛啊？哦，对，是这边。
Finally, we have reached C6. This is the area where we're going to board later.
好像也没有开，你看上面的。It's okay 啊。这个就是了。Yes.
It is almost 10 p.m. 2 more hours to go before the flight. Have you ever flown on a midnight flight like this? Would you want to do it? I guess one of the best thing to do a midnight flight is that by the time you reach your destination in the morning, you can just go on and enjoy the next day. And the weather is much cooler instead of having to fly in the day when it's quite hot, especially in the cabin of the plane. Was here since 5 p.m. and it's now already 10 p.m. Spent a lot of time here at the terminal. One of the challenges is to get the devices charged, but I found a place at McDonald's to charge most of the device before coming back here. It is now around 11:30 p.m. Quite tired but still happy because by the time I reach Perth tomorrow, it will be around 6 a.m.
没有啊，怎么嘞？
Looking forward to sleep in the plane. The flight takes around 5 hours and 40 minutes before reaching Perth. This is the cabin of Batik Air.
是9。在这边。
After around 5 hours and 40 minutes, finally, I am in Perth, Australia. This is Perth International Airport.
不，你肚子饿了是吗？
The first thing that we are going to do at this point of time is to head to Perth city area by train.
上去先咯。我要用 lift 啊。好，Ben 在那边还来查说。
It is currently 6:50 a.m. and we are searching for the train station. The view of Perth International Airport from here. Other thing that we're going to do is also search for some food once we reach Perth city area.
modify 到这样。
Thank you for watching, and we will be going to Perth city area in the next video.
We've got more than 2 times there, and the trees are beautiful, and then we've got all the bush plants. So we have all these different species of coming around, and it's beautiful. So yeah, when you're, when you're driving through our country, you're going through even up in Yonga, and depending on what season that people